everyone, Sophia here, my great challenger. Welcome back to my Etsy shop. I'm going to show you 7 items going in my shop tomorrow at 5 p.m. That's going to be for April 5th, I believe, and Friday, April 5th at 5 p.m. I have quite possibly one of the best haul. There's some stuff in here that's really cool. So let me start with the first one, and that's the one that was in the thumbnail. I would totally keep this. I fell in love with it. I think it's awesome, and it's in unbelievable condition considering how old it is. This is from the 1950s, and it's basically a strawberry serving platter by Shepherd, which was a Japanese company. So it's ceramic, and it comes with so cool. It comes with the tray or basket where you put all your strawberries, and then it has 2 little side compartments. One of them is for your cream, so cute, and the other one right here is for sugar. I had to put my glasses on so I can really look at it. So let me put these out so we don't break anything. And I'm going to show you close up. So here's the design. It's hand painted, and it's from the 50s. There's nothing on the back, no stamp, nothing. But it's ceramic that's meant to look like a basket. And if I show you on the sugar bowl, you're probably going to be able to see it a little bit better. You see that? How cute is this? And it's in superb condition. So there are a few flea bites. I'm going to call them flea bites because they're so small. Like right here, you see that? I mean, come on. It's a nothing. For something from the 50s, it's a nothing. There's another one like right here. And then there's a little bit of crazing on the glaze here, but that's normal for its age. I mean, this thing is 70-something years old. Apparently, ladies would have a dedicated dish for strawberries. So I fell into a rabbit hole of strawberry servers, and they were a thing. They pretty much all followed this design. The basket with the sugar and the creamer on the side. Variables here and there where the stuff is in the front and in the back, or they just slightly shaped different, but pretty much everybody made those back in those days, including Spode. And I had no idea. I've never seen this before. I just fell in love with it. I think it's the coolest little thing, and strawberries are in season. Okay, so I don't know when Wimbledon, I mispronounced it, I know. It's a mouthful for me. You know, the British Open is on, but what a way to have your friends over and celebrate the British Open, because you know they eat strawberries and cream during that event, right? This is really cool. I haven't seen a lot of these particular one online. I like the design, I like the way it's painted, and the fact that it's in perfect condition. Whoever had this, grandma possibly, had it in a curio, very obviously, and pulled it out once a year, maybe on Easter, to have strawberries with the family, because this thing shows barely anywhere at all. It's gorgeous. I love it. So anyway, Shepherd ceramic strawberry serving tray with its accompanying creamer and sugar. Totally would keep this. Next item. Okay, I saw this and I was like, oh, this is very nice. So let me pick it. And it's pottery, obviously very well made. The glaze on it is stunning. It is a beautiful glaze. Look at this. There's not a single side that is not a mystery. It's just the prettiest thing. Nice ruffle here, a little bit of a taper, beautiful, almost like a potbelly shape. It's a really pretty piece, and it's in perfect condition, right? So I saw there was a date on the thing at the bottom, says 89. All right, vintage. So I take it home And I started doing research. And I fell into another rabbit hole. This is a General Foiler Cole pottery, Fox Mill pottery in Sanford, North Carolina. And you know, okay, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is that the Cole family is a major pottery family, or family of potters in North Carolina, and they've done so since the 1800s. I think it's generation 5, g.f.cole, General Foiler Cole, and for what I've read online, you can read right here on your own, he's apparently the best potter of the entire lineage. What a find. So the g.f.cole as a potter actually did a lot of these. And you've probably seen those if you watch the Antiques Roadshow. They're called face jugs. And they are typical type of pottery, folk pottery art that you would see down in the South, in the Carolinas in particular. But apparently he did regular pottery as well. And this is none other than a signed, let me show you right here, g.f.cole 89, Fox Mill, Sanford, North Carolina. This is a General Foiler Cole pottery vase. Is it a rare find? It could be considered because he died in 1991. And this is really his latest work. This is stuff that he did 2 years prior to his passing. If it was 1960, probably more sought after. I'm going to assume that this is good, but not like super rare as a piece of pottery. Nonetheless, it is gorgeous. It is a beautiful blue. I would say a periwinkle blue mixed with some kind of bronze. I love the gradient. Let me see if I can show you from here, that particular part right here. And I've been trying to figure out how does he do it. And I think what happens is that he glazes it and then he reglazes it. Like it's overglazed. Like this is the brown glaze first, fires it in the kiln, then he adds the blue one, and before he fires it in the kiln, he removes some of it to distress it. I think that's how he does it, but it's gorgeous. So if you want a piece of General Foiler Cole, Fox Mill pottery in Sanford, North Carolina, this is your opportunity. This is a collector's item. This is a sought after item. There's a lot of people who collect Cole pottery apparently, and there is dedicated web pages just to the family, this particular family of potters. So yeah, it's a something. Let's just put it that way. This is a something, and I was lucky to find it. I would absolutely keep it too, but I want somebody else to enjoy it. So that's item number 2. When I come back, 2 more. Okay, dog lovers unite. You've seen me pick this guy. So this is well, obviously it's a ceramic dog. It's an English bulldog. It's a puppy, and it's from the 50s, from what I've gathered. It is, I'm not sure who made it, but I can tell you it's a high-end company, and I know that because the vent hole is super tiny. So this is high quality ceramic. Again, when you see big pipe hole or vent holes, that's kind of a telltale that it's like a mass-produced item, or item that's coming from a company that was, you know, not a renowned company and was just doing important marketing nonstop. These guys, I have no idea who made it. There's different people online who say, because everybody's asking, maybe coming from Germany, which I believe it is. Others say that it's made in Japan. I cannot tell you. I could not find anything. But nonetheless, if you have an English bulldog, wouldn't you love to have this? It's very well made. Look at his darling little face. And I know people collect porcelain animals. That's why I pick them whenever I see them. Hand painted. He is super cute. Look at this guy. So that's item number 3. Please look at the website on Friday when everything is live, so you can see close-up pictures of all of these items. And then sometimes, you know, you see something, you're like, yeah, that's kind of okay, but then you look at it on picture and you realize the beauty of it. Okay, number 4. Mikasa crystal. You know, I always pick Mikasa crystal, or any crystal for that matter. Now, this is brand new and can't tell me otherwise because the Mikasa sticker is still under all of them. This was never used, never washed, nothing, because it shows. So this is Royal Sweet by Mikasa Crystal. And it's a, I would say Art Deco kind of look. A crystal sugar ball with its lid, creamer, and matching plate. It's a full set. It's in pristine condition. It's really neat. Let me put this down. Obviously from the 80s. Here's the sugar ball. It's got little rests here and there for you to be able to put your lid on. And again, I mean, I really checked it. There's no chip, no crack, no flea bite, nothing. It's really pretty. If you don't want to use this as a sugar ball, it make a beautiful trinket little box. The creamer, again, if you don't want to use it as a creamer, you can use it as a little vase. And then this can be your catch-all in your entryway, but I wouldn't separate them. I would use them for their intended purpose. It's really, the garbage guy is stopping by. It's very early in the morning, by the way. Yeah, you want to know how early? It's 7:30 in the morning. Anyway, so here it is. Mikasa Royal Sweet from the 80s. Sugar ball with its lid and a creamer. I want to show you the lid. What I mean by the Art Deco look. You see that? It's totally Art Deco, isn't it? It's very pretty. I think it's a beautiful thing. Okay, when I come back, 3 more. You saw me pick those. Milled glass, you know me, when I see a good piece of milled glass, especially if it's Westmoreland. I want everybody to get hooked on Westmoreland milled glass, clearly. Paneled grape candle holders. Gorgeous. I think I've had similar ones that also sold in the shop. They may have been the square base, I'm not sure. But, you know, it's everything you would expect out of Westmoreland. So Westmoreland glass, you can pair them close to one another, or you can have them separated. I would personally, I would put them one a little bit higher than the other, you know, like maybe a pile of books or something on a mantle would look fabulous. Okay, then I have teacups. Okay, you remember the lady said she was going to have more teacups, all right? Here's the first one. The teacups, I'm telling you right now, if you want them, you got to grab them right away because they won't last. they fly off the shelves. Royal Albert. This is part of the summertime series, and it just says summertime. We got some yellow, probably some forget-me-not, and maybe marigold, I'm not sure. Beautiful flowers. Design is all around. The teacups, as usual, you have a central one, very large, and then in the back of it, the same one, but a little bit smaller, and then a repeat of the design or the pattern inside the cup. Melon shape, footed, typical Royal Albert. That's the signature shape for the teacups. So this is summertime, and then this one, God, it's gorgeous. This one is Prairie Crocus. So here is a close-up on the flowers. And again, go on the website, go on my Frenchy and Tubby Etsy shop to see really close looks. These are like brand new. There's absolutely no staining, no crazing, no chip, no crack, no hairline. They are gorgeous. Same thing with the little pattern inside. Beautiful. Okay, so these were the last two. So we have two different teacups by Royal Albert, two gorgeous mill glass candle holders, Westmoreland, Mikasa Royal Sweet Sugar Bowl Creamer, and a tray. English Bulldog Puppy, either Germany or Japan. I'm leaning towards Germany. Really beautifully made. The General Foil Cole 1989 signed pottery, and my favorite, the strawberry tray from Shafford, made in Japan, ceramic, gorgeous, 70 something years old. Beautiful. So that's what's going in the shop tomorrow. Link is up here and down below. What would I keep? Very obviously I would keep the strawberry and this pottery. Matter of fact, I would keep everything, probably not the dog, but only because that's not my breed. If it had been a beagle or a pointer, I would have kept it. But anyway, so thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this item. Again, the link is up here and down below. And thank you for supporting my Etsy shop and trusting my finding the best vintage finds out there to resell at the best price, because I think I pride myself in that. I am giving you really good prices. Compare. I'm always lower than whatever else is out there. I do it on purpose because I'm trying to have a business here and create relationship and repeat customers. So thank you for being a repeat customer. I have a lot of them. And thank you for supporting my small business and women in business in general. And again, if you are a woman and you own a business and you want me to promote you, shoot me an email. I will talk about your business at the end of these types of videos, just to promote yet another women-owned business, because I believe in supporting each other. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.